Let us discuss Victor Meyer method to calculate molecular mass of a substance. Victor Meyer method is a practical method which is mainly used for volatile gases or substances. For volatile substances, we use this method. He gave a simple formula to calculate molecular mass of a volatile substance, that is equal to 2240 cc cubic centimeters of the gas multiplied by weight of the substance should be divided with volume of air displaced at standard temperature and pressure. So whenever a volatile compound is there, so it has to be taken in a tube called Victor Meyer tube and it has to be heated. Whenever it is converted into vapor, it will displace the air which is there in the tube. That has to be measured. That is the volume of air displaced at STP. What else we have to know to calculate the molecular mass? We have to know weight of the substance and it should be multiplied with 22,400. So we know that at standard temperature and pressure, any gas occupies 22.4 liters. 1 mole of a gas at STP occupies 22.4 liters. So it is converted into cubic centimeters. That is 22,400 cubic centimeters. Just converted these liters into cubic centimeters. That's it. If we know these parameters, so what parameters you have to know? You have to know the weight of the substance as well as volume of air displaced at STP. Weight of the substance anyway we will understand and it is a constant. And volume of air displaced, how can we get? We can get practically by doing the experiment. Then simply you can calculate molecular mass of any volatile substances. Let us discuss this with an example. So that is, at standard temperature and pressure, 0.3 grams of a volatile compound displaces 112 cc of air. So what is the molecular weight of the compound? After doing experiment, they got this value. Volume of air displaced at STP is 112. And what is the weight of the substance that they took? Is 0.3 grams to evaporate. So the 0.3 grams of the substance is evaporated. And when it is evaporated, 112 cc of air is displaced. Then what is the molecular weight of the compound? How can we calculate? Molecular mass is equal to, we know the formula, that is 22,400 multiplied by, so what they given weight of the substance, that is 0.3 grams, divided by volume of air displaced is 112. Simply substitute. So you just know what parameters they gave. Weight of the substance they gave, that equal to 0.3 gram, and volume displaced at STP also they gave, that is 112 cc. So you need to substitute these two values in the above equation, and if you simplify this, you are going to get the value that in terms of grams. So molecular mass of substance is direct calculation. Molecular mass of substance is equal to 60 grams. So simply if you calculate these two, if you know these two things, how much substance you took for evaporation and what volume of air displaced during the evaporation, if you know these two values, you can calculate molecular mass of that substance. It's a practical method to calculate the molecular mass, and particularly this method we use for volatile substances only. Okay, for gaseous substances, not for solids. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.